So for example, ang take profit natin, pwede natin siyang i-move. Ayan, na-move natin siya. So stop loss here, example, at take profit here, stop loss dito. Example lang naman natin to guys, no. So tingnan natin guys, no, i-play natin kung may hit ba yung take profit natin. What's up guys? So in this video, ituturo ko sa inyo ang isang website kung saan magagawa nyo makapag-backtest ng trading strategy nyo ng libre. Unlike TradingView, kailangan mo pang magbayad ng around $30 per month para lang magkaroon ng access sa backtesting feature. Pero dito sa website na ituturo ko sa inyo, you can do it and it's completely free. Pero before we proceed, kung bago ka pa lang dito sa channel ko, I'm creating a lot of free trading content na alam kong malaki ang may tutulong sa iyo. So make sure to smash that subscribe button, pati na din ang notification bell icon para lagi kitang ma-update sa mga latest free videos. So tara, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! So ang website na tinutukoy ko is Code Traders Casa. So I have the link ng website sa description and sa comment section para automatic ka na mapupunta sa website na to. So kapag andito ka na sa website guys, no, all you need to do is click the pricing dito sa upper tab corner. Click price and they have 3 options here na pwede mong pagpilian, no. They have this pro version which is all the features ng platform na to is andito na lahat. Pero kung medyo namamahalan ka dito sa pro version nila, meron din sila nitong basic feature which is andito na rin naman lahat ng kakailanganin mo. So this is just around $1.74 so per week, so that's equivalent to around less than $8 per month, no. Pero ang maganda nito guys, no, if you use my code NakedChartFX, you will get around 20% discount sa first purchase, no. But in this video guys, no, ang ituturo ko sa inyo guys, no, etong free version nila which we can totally use it to backtest our trading strategy totally free. So let's go ahead and click continue. Alright, so once you click continue, nandito na kayo guys na mag-sign up kayo dito. You just put your first name, last name, email, create your password, and then click sign up. Or you can just click here dito sa baba yung sign up with Google, and automatically na ma-route na siya sa email nyo, and you can automatically log into this website. So login lang ako sa account ko guys, no. So kapag nakapag-create na kayo ng account, your dashboard will be look like this. Alright? So dito sa kabila guys, so sa left side corner, they have a lot of tabs here na pwede nyo magamit, pwede nyo explore. Pero ang pupunta natin guys na is yung backtesting. Okay? Once you click backtest, so dito mag-backtest na magamit natin to backtest our trading strategy. So kapag nandito na kayo guys, no, all you need to do is click dito sa right side corner, merong new session. Click nyo lang yan. And then dito sa session name, you can name anything. Siguro I will put backtest. So type lang natin backtesting. And the starting balance, let's say for example $10,000. Select pair. We can choose any pair we like. Let's say for example we choose EURUSD and we pick a date. Okay, sa date guys, no, remember that this is just a free version. Okay, so limited lang yung paggamit natin sa kanya, pero sapat na rin naman guys, no. We only have like limited for 1 year lang yung backtesting natin. Okay, yung pwede natin balikan yung nakaraang whole year lang. Hindi tayo pwedeng bumalik pa sa 5 years before, 6 years before, so 1 year lang. Pero I think sapat naman na to para makapag-backtest kayo ng trading strategy nyo. Just click, pick a date, and then today is August 29, 2025. So papalitan lang natin to guys, no. Balik lang tayo sa nakaraan natin. Let's change this to, wait, palitan natin to ng 2024 August, and then the date is 29. Then okay na yan, and then click sa description guys. Now you don't need to put anything here, just click save, and then here it is. Ito na yung natin, yung session na ginawa natin. And then all you need to do is click this play button and then wait for a few seconds para mag-load yung dashboard natin or yung platform, no. So as you can see here guys, no, ito na yung platform ng website, and it's totally just the same. Kung anong nakikita natin kay TradingView, yun din ang meron sa features dito sa sa platform na to. Okay, they have the indicators, they have the mga tools na kailanganin natin, but yung kaibahan lang niya guys, no, we can do some open positions kung gusto natin mag-trade, quick trade, and then rewind, balikan. So totally magamit natin siya ng free. Unlike a trading view, kailangan pa natin guys magbayad para ma-access yung feature na to. So for example, you want to backtest a 4-hour time frame. So akit lang tayo ng 4-hour time frame dito sa taas if you know how to use trading view. So click lang guys 4-hour, and as you can see, every candle, no, lahat ng mga candles to, it represents a 4-hour time frame. Okay, lahat ng candles na to. Now, pwede natin siya guys, no, if you wanna play this ng mas mabilis, you can adjust this one. Adjust nyo lang yan, mas mabilis siya, pero sapat na sa akin itong 1.5. and ang gagawin ko guys, no, every tick, no, is around 5 minutes para mas nakikita ko na mas maigi yung movement ng market, and then click play. And as you can see, ayan, nagbo-move na yung candlestick natin. So every movement na nangyayari dyan guys, no, that's 5 minutes. Okay, and then right after matapos ng 4-hour, magkakaroon na ng isang candlestick naman. Okay, kaya lang ang pinagkaiba lang nito guys, no, sa normal na live chart is mabagal siya. Dito at least napapabilis natin yung movement ng candlestick, so mas mapabilis natin yung pag-backtest natin. So for example dito guys, no, if you want to sell in this area, post lang natin. For example yan, okay, so tingnan ko, this is my entry. Sabihin natin ito kunwari yung entry ko, and then I wanna trade this candlestick. So bababa lang ako ng 5 minutes for example, kasi for example sa 5 minutes ako nag-take ng trade. Okay, so ito yung area natin. So let's say for example I wanna place a trade here at the market price. So click mo lang open position. You can do limit order or a market or stop. Alright, buy stop and sell stop. But this time we will do market. Okay, so entry price, so maglalagay lang tayo guys ng take profit. For example, we are going to buy, so ang take profit natin is, so we are going to sell pala, isa-sell natin yung market na to. So let's put take profit, for example 1.11100, and the stop loss natin is 1.11250, 1.11250, and ang risk natin for example $100 per trade. So let's click save, and as you can see, ayan na yung natin, yung trade natin. We have this entry, we have the take profit, and we have the stop loss. So for example, ang take profit natin, pwede natin siyang i-move. Ayan, na-move natin siya. So stop loss here, example, take profit here, stop loss dito. Example lang naman natin to guys, no. So tingnan natin guys, no, i-play natin kung may hit ba yung take profit natin. So dito guys, no, pwede natin tong bilisan kung gusto natin para mas mabilis mag-play out yung trade natin, since backtesting lang naman to, para malaman natin agad kung may hit yung target natin or may stop out tayo. So nag-play out pa rin yung trade natin. Tingnan natin guys, no? This is just a random trade. Okay, so pwedeng ma-hit a stop loss natin. Okay, na-stop loss na tayo, stop out tayo. Okay, as you can see, since na-stop out tayo guys, no, you can see the balance here sa baba, no? As you can see, yung balance natin 10,000. Now we are negative $9,879 na. Okay, nag-negative tayo. So ganun lang guys, no. You can use this platform to whatever strategy na meron kayo. Kompleto rin sila, meron silang indicators here if you wanna move, if you wanna put EMA, no, meron din silang mga indicators dito. You can adjust the settings if you want to. For example, you wanna change this to 20. Okay, so pwede nyo adjust yung mga indicator dito. So kompleto lang sila guys, no. So magagamit nyo ng maayos to, no, sa pagba-backtest nyo. And ang kagandahan dito guys, no, is totally free nyo lang magamit tong platform na to. So yeah, I hope na nag-enjoy ka sa video na to, and I hope na makatulong sa iyo ng malaki yung website na to. So if you do like this video and yung mga content natin do, don't forget to support this channel by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell icon para like ko yung mga updates sa mga latest videos natin. And i-share nyo na rin guys, no, sa mga friends nyo na gusto nyo matulungan or tingin nyo makakatulong yung mga videos natin. So again, God bless sa lahat and happy trading.